Taking great portrait photography involves a combination of technical skills and creative vision. Here are some top tips and tricks. Use natural light. Whenever possible, utilize natural light for a softer and more flattering look. Position your subject facing the light source to avoid harsh shadows. Choose the right background. Select a background that complements your subject without distracting from them. Look for simple and uncluttered backgrounds that allow the focus to remain on the person. Focus on the eyes. The eyes are the focal point of a portrait. Ensure they are sharply in focus to create a strong connection with the viewer. Use a wide aperture, low f-stop, to achieve a shallow depth of field and blur the background. Pay attention to composition. Use the rule of thirds to compose your shots, placing the subject off-center for a more dynamic image. Experiment with different angles and perspectives to add interest. Direct your subject. Guide your subject with posing suggestions and prompts to evoke natural expressions and emotions. Encourage them to relax and be themselves in front of the camera. Adjust camera settings. Adjust your camera settings, such as aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, to achieve the desired exposure and depth of field. Shoot in RAW format for more flexibility in post-processing. Experiment with lenses. Different lenses produce varying effects in portrait photography. A prime lens with a wide aperture, for example 50mm f1.8, is popular for its versatility and ability to create beautiful bokeh. Consider composition and framing. Pay attention to the framing of your shot, including the distance between the subject and the camera, and the framing of their face within the frame. Experiment with different compositions to find what works best for your subject. Capture genuine moments. Candid shots can often be the most captivating. Keep shooting even after the pose shots to capture spontaneous moments and genuine expressions. Edit wisely. Use photo editing software to enhance your portraits subtly. Adjust exposure, contrast, color balance, and sharpness to refine your images while maintaining a natural look. Avoid excessive retouching that can make the subject appear unnatural. Here's a list of photo editing software: Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Lightroom, GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program, Capture One Affinity Photo, Luminar, Coral Paint Shop, Pro DxO Photo Lab.